While dealing with large tables such as mark sheets, sales report, and so on, we frequently scroll up and down to refer the top main rows and columns. Can't we fix these rows and columns so that we need not scroll again and again? Yes, we can. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix the top rows and columns. All you have to do is click on the cell in order to fix the rows and columns. I want to fix the two rows and two columns, so I am clicking on D3 cell. Now go to view and click on freeze panes and select the first option. That's it. The two rows and two columns are fixed. Now the rows and columns are visible while scrolling up or down or right and left. Hope you understand it. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.